Happy Tuesday morning, fifth graders! I am bringing you all of your assignments today, and you'll notice that there's a little bit of a different layout. If you like the other one better, let me know. If you like this one better, let me know, because I'm trying to figure out what works for all of you. Not just some of you, but all of you. And we don't have 100% of us doing all the work. So what can I do to help you get all the work done? Well, I'm going to walk through some of the assignments with you. So when you look at your module checklist, I want to see real checks in here, and this slide is yours. So you can check it off and then submit it back to me, and that would be a perfect way of saying all my work is done. So for morning meeting, check your date. Make sure you're recording your video before your date, and then you're participating every morning. That's something that you need to be participating in between 8 and 10. You still need to be responsible for getting up and getting dressed and getting your stuff done, right? And then please pick a date for May. We're going to start thinking about dates for May. If you have a birthday in May, I already put your name down on that date because you get to do a morning meeting on your birthday. For ELA, English Language Arts, you have 2 assignments. One is an EPIC assignment. There are books that are assigned to you on EPIC, and then it will show up in Google Classroom. And then Henry's Freedom Box, making connections between text and illustrations. You'll see a video of Miss Struver walking you through that. Math. Start with extra math if you're not done. Then you're going to do part 1 and part 2 for intro to polygons. You might do part 1 today and then part 2 tomorrow. There is a tangram challenge. Have fun with that. There's 1 homework page and then a skill review. So Miss Struver and I are going to try to add in a skill we've already worked on so that you can review that as we go. You have 1 assignment for social studies. You'll listen to Miss Struver read Sweet Clara and the Freedom Quilt, and then there's a quick quiz. You have chapters 6, 7, 8, and 9 for the read aloud. That's coming out at noon today. And then so this is what the read aloud page will look like, right? It has each of the audio chapters are embedded. They're linked in here. They're attached in here. So you click there, and then you'll listen to Mrs. Valentine read chapter 1. Right? You click play. And if any of these are a problem, you just have to reach out.
Chapter 1,
there it goes.
July 2nd.
And then this is, so you know how then there was the pages that you were supposed to do? Do those and then turn them back in. And it's just a quick making predictions, connecting text, analyzing text, telling me about the setting, the plot, so that we're still practicing those skills all together on the same book. So make sure you're doing both of those. Make sure you're getting so we have 2 writing lessons because we will be doing an opinion writing paper, an opinion writing essay, your independent daily reading and journaling. Just a rule of thumb, so something that we're doing in our house is Lucas does 30 minutes of reading, 30 minutes of math, he does 15 minutes of social studies science, 15 minutes of writing, he does his read aloud, and then 30 minutes of independent daily reading. So reading by himself, he's trying to beat everybody in the class on that pages and minutes. So he does a lot more than 30 minutes. But find something that works for you. Get it done. Don't be slacking, okay? The other thing I want to show you is I do have morning meeting schedule attached on here. So that'll be in about 24 minutes on Seesaw that you'll see morning meeting. But make sure you're recording your morning meeting video ahead of time. And then reach out with any questions. I'm here. And then last, you have your mind and body challenge, you have your kindness challenge, and you have your social and emotional challenge. These are to do when you've got a break. Some of these are brain breaks. So stop and take a breath and do a family yoga session. We did that last week and it was so fun. And last but not least, I wanted to let you know my grandma Valentine passed away last week, so I will not be available Friday afternoon or Friday from about 10 o'clock on. But on Thursday I will be available intermittently, which means here and there. I will try and respond to your messages and your questions as quickly as I can. But if I don't, maybe see if mom or dad or big brother or big sister can help you clarify the question. You're doing an amazing job, those of you that are doing the work. Keep it up. And if you can, reach out to another 5th grader and say, hey, how's it going? And how can I help you? Okay, I love you. I miss you. I hope to see you soon. Bye.